A book of outside colors. What colors do you see? Outside, under the sun and moon, the world is a rainbow full of beautiful colors to see. Red. The color red is fire bright, like the planet Mars that comes out at night. What else do you see that is the color red? Orange. The color orange is exciting and vibrant, like tiger in the jungle, bold and silent. What else do you see that is the color orange? Yellow. The color yellow is as happy as summer in June, like duck as she quacks out a tune. What else do you see that is the color yellow? Green. The color green is fresh and mellow, like the clover that grows in the meadow. What else do you see that is the color green? Blue. The color blue is loyal and loved, like the day and night skies up above. What else do you see that is the color blue? Purple. The color purple is magic abound, like the gems glowing in the ground. What else do you see that is the color purple? Pink. The color pink is pretty and sweet, like the flamingo bird dancing to the waves' beat. What else do you see that is the color pink? Brown. The color brown is pleasant and friendly, like winter trees that sway gently. What else do you see that is the color brown? Gray. The color gray is muted and cool, like the round stones in rivers and tide pools. What else do you see that is the color gray? Black. The color black is powerful and wise, like bear in the forest so dark, looking for berries and tasty bark. What else do you see that is the color black? White. The color white is clean and light, like the flurries of snowflakes in flight. What else do you see that is the color white? Outside, under the sun and moon, the world is a rainbow full of beautiful colors to see. What do you see outside that is the color red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, black, white? Thank you for joining us today at Bold Soul Whimsy. Please like and subscribe for more art education content. See you in the next one.